Ubak Melbourne lengdo no aktien jaka kenhuan gini kai ad hoc apok ka syati jaka Fastom. Walaupun pau ka jing semua lengo balai bawa mutrin bak ka jala uang Donkam haduk deki Spah Klur nakam taban pikir tulop ikini kai ad hoc. Kat bah ka jing kenjung upak along Donkam tang sis pak san ku art Klur. Ya ka ba nakan di sop Klur kelawan naka sestak lani naka jana ka besim nakam ta ka puli putih jong ka jala. Halo kan di ka jing jubab jong mutri rang ba ka jing mumna jong menjakan duk yuki naka liang jaka Fastom kelala ban pelong ka jehi nadu ka sipalai bak ka jing hi kalong ka bakampur.
An estimate of where 500 crores will be wiped off. So we are asking for only 152 crores. I still do not understand when the Chief Minister says that it will require hundreds and hundreds. Where's the hundreds and hundreds? It's just 152 crore. Out of this 152 crore, the amount that is supposed to come just from the cess tax alone is 48 crore. So 48 crore is already coming from the cess tax. Then the education, the budget that is supposed to go to education, that is a different thing altogether. Then how is the government of Meghalaya still saying that it does not have budget? Another thing, if the government of Meghalaya is having so much of money for infrastructure, we also saw that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya has also said that it will need a lot of money because it needs to construct schools, it needs to develop the buildings and so on and so forth. If it has money for all that, why not for the teachers? What are you going to do with the buildings where there are no teachers? What are you going to do with all those buildings where the teachers are not being treated justly? Then what are you, or another question that I can put forward to the government of Meghalaya is this: why are you so interested in all these developmental activities? Another thing, how are these tenures or how are these tenders tendered? How and where does the government of Meghalaya give away these tenders? So that is also an interesting point. Why is the government of Meghalaya more interested in festivals? Why not in developing the teachers? Interested more in festivals? Maybe. There are so many different kinds of things that can come out of these festivals. So today we are tired. We cannot wait any longer. So tomorrow we have decided that at 12:30 p.m. we are going to launch another rally, and this rally we will stay there outside of the secretariat if the government allow us, and we will stay there, we will sleep there, we will eat there until the government is compelled to respond to us. We have asked for a dialogue with the Chief Minister. If the Chief Minister is not clear about all these things, why do we want to have a meeting with the Chief Minister so bad? The reason is because we want to make these things clear to him, that this is the amount of money that you have in the treasury. This is the amount of money that you have in the finance department. And why is this amount not coming to us? So we are just teachers. We have all of these statistics. Now you can ask me, from where did I get these statistics? I will state here that no, I'm not involved with any political party, and if there is any politician who can give me these statistics, then it means that our state Meghalaya will not be in such a dire state as we are right now. If a politician is that good, where he will have all these statistics and he will come and he will feed to me and he will say, give it to the press, it means that the state of